Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture in engineering drawing. Before we begin with this lecture, I request you to please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Also, please like our Facebook page, Mechanical Engineering Tutorials, and please follow our Instagram and Twitter handle. The link is in the description. Welcome to lecture number 12 on first angle and third angle projection. So before we see the first angle and third angle projection, so please let us brush up with our quadrant system. So here we have already seen in the quadrant system the vertical plane, the horizontal plane. So this divides the three-dimensional space into the first, second, third and fourth quadrant. For the first angle projections, we'll be focusing mainly on the first quadrant, and for the third angle projection, we'll be focusing mainly on the third quadrant. So we shall see now how the first angle projection works. So coming back to this first angle projection, so we have the vertical plane which is with the blue border and the horizontal plane which is with the orange border, and the pink line is the XY line. So this is the object which is placed in the first quadrant, that is above HP in front of VP. Here there is an observer. So when the observer sees in this direction, the projection of this particular object falls on the vertical plane. So we can see this purple shaded figure or the shape is projected in this direction. So I have shown with a small purple dot indicating that this face is the same purple face. Also, there is a small blue triangular face which also gets projected here. So I have marked with a small blue dot here indicating it is that blue triangular face. So in the front view, we see this purple face and the blue face. Now when the observer goes and sees from the top, so in the top, first he sees this yellow top face. Along with that, he also sees this angled green face. So here this figure shows the top view of this object. So these planes which are marked with yellow color indicates it is this yellow face. And here I have shown these two green face projected with small green dot. So now here the concept of first angle projection is when the object is in the first quadrant and when the observer sees, so there is an order observer, object and the projection. When this order is followed, this is called as first angle projection. So here we have this arrangement. So first there is an observer, then there is an object, and then there is a projection. So the observer first sees the object and then he sees the projection. This type of arrangement we call it as first angle projection. So if the observer sees this object from this direction, then first he sees the object and then he sees the projection of this object. So this is the symbol of first angle projection. Next we shall see how the third angle projection works. So here we have this third quadrant. So this is the vertical plane of the third quadrant with blue border, and the horizontal plane is with the orange border. The pink line here represents the XY line. Now when the observer sees this object in the front view, he sees the projection of this object on the vertical plane. Similarly, when he sees the object from the top view, he sees the projection of this object on the horizontal plane. Now, if you see the arrangement here, there is an observer, there is a plane or the projection, and then there is the object. So the arrangement, observer, projection and the object, this type of projection, we call it as third angle projection. So let us see how this is represented symbolically. So here you can see there is the observer, then in between the observer and the object we have the projection, and then there is the object. So this type of order, it is the third angle projection. So symbolically it is represented over here. So if an observer sees this object in this direction, so he first sees the projection and then he sees that object. So this is the symbolical representation of third angle projection. So this is about the concept of first angle and third angle projection. So in the next classes, we will be seeing with the problems using the LPP and RPP, which we have seen in the previous lecture. And also for all the problems in our engineering drawing, we will be making use of first angle projection. So first angle projection is usually followed in European drawing system, whereas the third angle projection is followed in American drawing system. So this is just for your general information. So here we end this lecture on the first angle and third angle projection. So please like and share this video among your friends and family. Also please subscribe to this channel and please like our Facebook page and also follow our Twitter and Instagram handle. The links are in the description. Thank you.